Hey guys, this is GameTech Super Sham back with another video, and in this video I'm on Windows 10 build 10,049, and I'm going to test Project Spartan, the latest build, versus Chrome 41, Google Chrome 41, which is the latest stable build. So the first step is running Sunspider. That is my favorite, most reliable test. Now it's important to note that Project Spartan is a beta. It's not even a beta, it's an incredibly unstable browser, and of course Google Chrome is a very stable one. But it's interesting to see the preliminary speed test results. So, alright, Sunspider has finished up in Project Spartan. We've got exactly 194 milliseconds. So now we are going to open up Google Chrome and close Project Spartan, knowing that it is 194, and go ahead and go to the Sunspider test on Google Chrome 41 as well. Now, I'm going to go ahead and disable all my add-ons, actually, yeah, so that you guys know that it is a fair test. Uncheck, 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 and uncheck, 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 and uncheck. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to the Sunspider test and click on Start Now here as well. And this is going to do its thing with the Sunspider test. Now Chrome, I think, takes a little bit longer just to load the web page or something. It's a little bit weird for some reason. But one thing to note is that Internet Explorer was also actually faster than Google Chrome in pure JavaScript performance, which is what Sunspider measures. So how fast a browser can go through very intensive JavaScript filled websites, and that's what Sunspider, as the name implies, tests. Now, Internet Explorer's engines have always been better, so after this we're going to do the HTML5 test to round out the results and get an overall picture. So as you can see, and as I expected, Google Chrome gets a much slower 383 milliseconds, so almost double the time of the 194 in Project Spartan. So next we're going to go ahead and do the HTML5 test, which actually doesn't matter what browser I have opened up, so I'm just going to go ahead and go to the HTML5 test, which tests as the name implies, the browser's capabilities of handling advanced HTML5 capabilities, which are literally all over the internet now, especially considering YouTube has stopped using Adobe Flash and now uses HTML5 for their video players. So as you can see here, Project Spartan gets 375 out of 555. Now going into Google Chrome, in the same test, of course, we will look at Google Chrome score, which is going to be significantly higher, again, way higher, 523 out of 555, almost scores a full 100%. So that definitely gives you a perspective. Project Spartan is currently much faster at rendering raw data, at rendering raw JavaScript data in a website. However, when it comes to HTML5 in websites like YouTube, it does definitely struggle, and there is a lot of work to be done. Now, it is definitely cool to see Project Spartan faster than Chrome in something, but it is important to note that Internet Explorer 11 was also faster than Chrome in this. But some miscellaneous things I wanted to show you guys about Project Spartan. The web note stuff, it works. It works pretty darn nicely. I mean, it's good. You can't really save or share it yet. It's a little bit broken, but it's a very minimalistic browser. The scrolling is awesome. It's fast. I don't really know what else to say. I'm gonna try booting up loading some quick websites just to give you some perspective. But I mean, overall, Project Spartan feels very fast. So I'm going to try to press enter at the exact same time. It's not perfect, but there it is. And you know, Chrome got off to a good start there, but Project Spartan's done and Chrome is still going. So I mean, I think that speaks a lot as to the speed of Project Spartan. It's pretty fast. So next we're going to go to another sports website, Bleacher Report, of course. As you can see, I'm a big sports fan. And let's see what happens this time. So Chrome, again, Chrome's done. Chrome is done. So, actually it's not done. Just kidding, guys, it's not done. Looks like the Pacers win. Anyway, so as you can see, they're both pretty similar. The ads don't load in Project Spartan very quickly. I don't have a problem with that. I don't really like ads, but that's, you know, they're both very fast browsers, and I'm definitely going to enjoy seeing the competition between them in the future. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a like. If you want to see more videos about Windows 10, Project Spartan, etc., be sure to click that subscribe button because I make a lot of videos about Windows 10. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.